This is my 1987 Chevrolet Suburban 4x4 mock. I've gotten probably 3 or 4 people asking me to make instructions for this. So I finally went ahead and did that. Let me show you why I think this is my best Lego creation I've ever made. The functions. First, an opening hood with a kind of detailed Chevy 454 or 350, you pick, I don't care. 4 opening side doors. They're not the most stable because, again, they're connected by one stud there, so they can kind of swivel out like that. But yeah, 4 opening side doors and then 2 opening rear barn doors, and you just pull this little latch like this, and both of them can swing open. And oh, I forgot, I left a bicycle in there. And it has suspension. Independent front and rear suspension. And this is the same exact chassis used in the Ford Raptor from 2017 or 2016, I believe. But anyways, yeah, all I did to the Raptor chassis was just add some bigger tires because it looks better. But it works really nice, and it's pretty stable too. Okay, well, not really, but you know what I'm saying. And it's not just the functions that makes this thing stand out. It's the proportions and the shaping and everything, and it is black. I know black cars are usually they don't usually look amazing, but this was the only color it's available in besides like white, and if I did white you couldn't see the two-tone paint job, so I did black, and I added these crew lights up here and plenty of detail, including rear view mirrors, a roof rack, the crew lights up here that I just showed you, a Chevy badge here in the middle of the grill, and some side steps here, and obviously a latch back here, and a little Suburban badge there, or I think it's actually a Chevy badge. I can't remember. It's a badge, but an exhaust pipe down here, only on one side, and some springs there on all 4 sides. And the interior it's not the best, and it does not fit minifigures, but let's see if I can open it without exploding this thing. Okay, I got it with minor explosion, and the seats are foldable. The front ones, anyway, are foldable. And in here, there's plenty of detail. Come on, focus. Including an e-brake there, a shifter here, a little steering wheel there, and in the back seat, just a little cup holder, and in the back, just plenty of space for a bicycle. Where did that go? There, bicycle. So, with all of the details and things of this covered, let's take some outdoor shots, and then I'll give you the instructions. Let's go. Alright, let's go find somewhere cool to take this baby. It's raining, it's pouring, and JJ's feet are getting kind of cold. The camera is about to die. I was going to take a picture with the old Squarebody S10 right there, but it's about to die, so I gotta go. And yes, that is a 1 of 645 Baja edition. Pretty cool, right? Alright, now let's give you guys some instructions for this old Suburban.